Educational Studio presents Science Zone. Am I the only one that didn't know chemistry is everywhere? I'm not talking about love, folks. I'm talking about chemistry. Chemistry is like magic, but instead of spells, we have reactions. It's the study of matter and how it changes. Pretty cool, right? Everything around us is made of chemicals. Your clothes, the food you eat, even you are made of chemicals. Chemistry helps us understand how these chemicals interact and change. It's like a giant puzzle, and chemists are the ones putting it together. So buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the amazing world of chemistry. Get ready to learn about atoms, molecules, and all sorts of cool reactions. Trust me, once you understand a little chemistry, you'll start seeing the world in a whole new way. Now, you might be thinking, Bill, why should I care about chemistry? Well, my friend, chemistry is happening all around us, all the time. When you bake a cake, that's chemistry in action. The ingredients react to heat, creating a delicious treat. How about that soap you use to wash your hands? Chemistry. Soap breaks down dirt and grease, making it easier to wash away. And don't even get me started on medicine. Chemists work tirelessly to develop new drugs and treatments that save lives every day. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, chemistry plays a vital role in our daily lives. It's the invisible force that keeps our world running smoothly. So next time you see something cool happening, remember, chemistry is probably involved. Okay, so we know chemistry is important, but what exactly is it all about? Well, it all starts with atoms. Atoms are like tiny building blocks that make up everything in the universe. They're so small, you can't even see them with a microscope. When atoms combine, they form molecules. Think of it like Legos. Each Lego brick is like an atom, and when you put them together, you can build all sorts of cool stuff. Molecules are like those Lego creations, only way, way smaller. Now here's where things get really interesting. Chemical reactions happen when molecules break apart and rearrange themselves to form new molecules. It's like shuffling a deck of cards and getting a whole new hand. These reactions are what make chemistry so exciting and unpredictable. So there you have it, folks. Chemistry is the study of matter and its transformations. It's all around us, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. By understanding the basic principles of chemistry, we can better appreciate the world around us and make informed decisions about our health and the environment. Learning about atoms, molecules, and reactions may seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's worth the effort. Chemistry is like a key that unlocks a deeper understanding of the universe. So keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring the amazing world of chemistry.